Standard 3rd Subject Maths. Hello students, today we are going to learn the topic number work. Let's recall what you learnt in previous class. Which is the smallest two-digit number? Right, 10 is the smallest two-digit number. Which is the greatest two-digit number? Right, 99 is the greatest two-digit number. Which is the smallest three-digit number? Right, 100 is the smallest three-digit number. Which is the greatest three-digit number? Right, 999 is the greatest three-digit number. In this topic, we are going to learn about the number before and the number after, using symbols to show smaller and bigger. Do you remember what we mean by before numbers? When we count backward from a given number, we get the numbers before. With the help of the number strip above, write the number just before. What comes before 102? The number that comes before 102 is 101. So, 101 comes before 102. What comes before 106? The number that comes before 106 is 105. So, 105 comes before 106. What comes before 110? The number that comes before 110 is 109. So, 109 comes before 110. After numbers. When we count forward from a given number, we get the numbers after. With the help of the number strip above, write the after number means next number. 400. What number comes after 400? If we check the number strip, after 400 we have 401. 405. What comes after 405? According to number strip, after 405 we have 406. 409. What number comes after 409? If we check the number strip, after 409 we have 410. Here are some few questions. First, by how much is the next number bigger than the given number? If you notice the number strip, you will find that the next number is bigger than a given number by 1. So the answer is 1. Next question. By how much is the number just before a given number smaller than the given number? The number just before a given number is smaller than the given number by 1. So the answer is 1. What is the number we get by adding 1 to 435? You are right. The number is 436. What is the number we get by taking away 1 from 435? That's correct, children. The number is 434. Using symbols to show smaller and bigger. Say which number is bigger and which is smaller. Number 8, 2. Where you can easily make out that 2 is smaller and 8 is bigger. 77, 59. Tell me which is smaller, which is bigger? You're right. 59 is smaller and 77 is bigger. Number 67, 32. Say which is smaller and which is bigger? Yes, 32 is smaller and 67 is bigger. Now you already understood about the concept of bigger and smaller. We can actually represent that by using symbols. Let's see an example. Now we have numbers 5 and 2. You know that 5 is bigger than 2. So you can write it as 5 symbol of bigger or greater than 2. And we read it as 5 is bigger than 2. Other example. We have 2 and 5. Now you know that 2 is smaller than 5. So you write it like this. 2 symbol of smaller than 5 and you read it as 2 is smaller than 5. Now next is 27 and 40. You know that 27 is smaller than 40. So 27 a symbol of smaller than 40. We read it as 27 is less than 40. Next is 91 and 49. You easily make out that 91 is greater than 49. So 91 a symbol of greater than 49. It is read as 91 is greater than 49. Now let us try and solve some sums in order to make this concept even more clear. Write the correct symbol in the box. 10, 9. Now 10 is greater than 9. So we put symbol of greater like this. 500, 499. 500 is greater than 499. So we put symbol of greater towards 500 in this manner. 49, 50. 49 is lesser than 50. So we put symbol of lesser facing towards 49 in this manner. 73, 75. 73 is smaller than 75. So we put symbol of smaller facing 73 showing 73 is lesser than 75. 23, 25. 23 is smaller than 25. So we put symbol of lesser towards 23 showing 23 is lesser than 25. 500, 300. Now 500 is bigger than 300. So we put symbol of greater facing toward 500 showing that 500 is greater than 300. Homework is question number 1. Write the number just before and the number just after. Number 2. Write the correct symbol in the box. Hope you enjoyed today's class. Thank you.